This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Logic Pro. So I'm right here on the main Logic Pro site, and the URL is right here on the screen now. It's a bit of a long URL. I will include that in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, the download button's kind of hidden away at the top. We've got the free trial here, a blue button with white text up in the right corner, so we're going to click on that one. Now, we can currently try Logic Pro free for 90 days. So you can get a free trial of the latest version of Logic Pro for your Mac. Can't say that this deal will always be available. You can see the URL is apple.com/uk/logic-pro-trial. But at least in the UK, they're allowing a free 90-day trial. So you can check out this URL, and hopefully it still works for you by the time you watch this video. So we're going to click on the download now button, and you can see that the app has downloaded. We just saw that the icon went flying up there in the top right corner, which is a universal symbol on Mac, that it has been sent to the downloads folder location. Now, I'm on Google Chrome. It will save on my Mac into the downloads folder. Your downloads location may vary depending on what browser you have. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Logic Pro on your Mac, actually for free currently with a 90-day trial. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.